Good evening, student. Today we learn exponents from class 7 ICSC. Exercise 4A, question number 4-9. 12 square minus 5 cube into minus 1 to the power 40 upon 19. So 12 square means 144. Minus 5 cube means 125 and minus 1 to the power 40. So when base in negative and its power is even, so result always comes in positive. That's why we write plus 1 upon 19. So 144 minus 125 we get 19 into 1 upon 19. 19 are cancelled out and we get 1 as my answer. Next math, 6-4 minus 3 upon 2 to the power 5, find its absolute value. So we clearly see that here base is in negative, minus 3 upon 2. When base in negative and power is in odd form, so we get always negative as outcome. So we write minus 3 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 5, because the power is applicable for both numerator and denominator. So 3 to the power 5 means 243 and 2 to the power 5 means 32. So find its absolute value. So we know that absolute value always comes in positive form. So we write plus 243 upon 32 as my answer. Next math from exercise 4B, 4-5. 21 upon 9 to the power 4 into 19 by 7 to the power 4. So this 4 is applicable for both numerator and denominator, and we write 21 to the power 4 by 19 to the power 4 into 19 to the power 4 by 7 to the power 4. 19 to the power 4 and 19 to the power 4 are cancelled out, and this 21 means it is a multiple of 7. That's why we break it and write 3 into 7 to the power 4 upon 7 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 into 7 to the power 4 by 7 to the power 4. 7 are cancelled out, so 3 to the power 4 means 81. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and we get 81 as my answer. Next one, 7-3 minus 4 upon 5 to the power 9 divided by minus 4 upon 5 to the power 10. So there is a rule that says that when bases are equal and the process is divided, so we have to divide. When bases are equal, the powers are subtracted. Here both the bases are minus 4 upon 5, means divisor and dividend are equal, so we have to subtract the power and write minus 4 upon 5 to the power 9 minus 10. So minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 1, and this minus 1 indicates that we have to reciprocate the base. So we write minus 4 upon 5 reciprocal as minus 5 upon 4, and this is my answer. Next one from exercise 4C, 8-2, 7 upon 9 to the power minus 11, and this minus sign indicates that we have to reciprocate the base. So we write 9 upon 7 to the power plus 11, and in the same way 14 upon 9 to the power plus 9. So 9 upon to the power 11 upon 7 to the power 11 into 14 to the power 9 upon 9 to the power 9. 9 and this 9 are in division form, so we have to subtract its powers. That's why I write 9 to the power 11 minus 9. 14 is a multiple of 7, so we break it because we have to cancel it from its denominator part. So 2 into 7 to the power 9 upon 7 to the power 11. So 9 square into 2 to the power 9 into 7 to the power 9 upon 7 to the power 11. So 9 square means we write it later. 7, these two 7s are in division form, so we have to subtract its powers and we write 7 to the power 11 minus 9 and in 2 to the power 9 in numerator part. So 9 square means 81. 2 to the power 9 means 512 and 7 square means 49. So we can't cancel out this numerator and denominator part, so we have to just multiply it. So 81 into 512 করলে আমরা পাবো 2 and we get 81 into 512 means 41472 upon 49. This is my answer. Next one, minus 3 upon 4 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 3 to the power minus 1. So পাওয়ারের পাওয়ার থাকলে পাওয়ারের পাওয়ার নিজেদের মধ্যে মাল্টিপ্লাই হয়, so that's why we write minus 3 upon 4 minus 2 into minus 3 and we get plus 6 to the power minus 1. Minus 1 into 6 we get minus 6, and for this minus sign we have to reciprocate the base and we get minus 4 upon 3 to the power plus 6. So base is in negative and power is in even form, that's why result always comes in positive. So 4 to the power 6 by 3 to the power 6 is my required answer. So we get 4 to the power 6 means 4096 and 3 to the power 6 mean 3 কে 6 বার গুণ করতে হবে, 6 বার গুণ করলে আমরা পাই হচ্ছে 729. Question 10.3. According to BODMAS we have to do this part, this bracket part. So for this minus sign reciprocate the value and we get 3 upon 1 to the power 3 and 2 upon 1 to the power 3 divided by 4 upon 1 to the power 3. So 3 cube means 27. 2 cube means 8. Don't write the denominator part because we all know that 1 cube means 1. So কোনো নাম্বারকে 1 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করলে সেটাই আসে, that's why we don't write anything. And 4 cube means 64. So 27 minus 8 means 19 by 64 is my required answer. Next one, question now 11.1. So we clearly see that bases are equal and they are in division form, that's why we have to subtract its powers. So write minus 1 upon 3 to the power 8 minus 5, and in the same way minus 1 upon 3 to the power 5 minus 3. So minus 1 upon 3 to the power 3 minus minus 1 upon 3 to the power 2. So base negative, power odd, result negative. That's why we write minus 1 upon 27. And minus of base negative, power even, result positive. So plus 1 upon 9. So these two are fractions, so taking LCM 27, we get our answer minus 1 minus 3, so minus 4 upon 27 is my answer. Next chapter, next exercise 4D, scientific notation. Expanded form is given and you have to write this expanded form in scientific notation form. That tells you that scientific notation is a multiple of two number where first one is lies between 1 to 10, between 1 to 10, this is a integer, and the next one is 10's power. So 804, we have to write this 804 as between 1 to 10 and we get 8.04. So 8 এক থেকে 10-এর মধ্যে বানাতে গেলে 804কে 8.04 বানাতে হবে, তাহলেই সেটা 1 থেকে 10-এর মধ্যে আসে। সো এই পয়েন্টটার মানে হচ্ছে রাইট সাইড থেকে দুঘর পরে পয়েন্টটা লিখেছি, মানে এই পয়েন্টটা যদি উঠে যায় নিচে আমাকে 100 লিখতে হবে, মানে 100 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করেছি, তাহলে উপরে আমি 100 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাইও করে দেবো, তাহলে রেশিওটা সমান থাকবে। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই উই increase the number of zeros. So here 7 zeros are there, so we have to increase 2 extra zeros, so 9 zeros for balancing the ratios. So 8.04 and here 9 zeros after 1, that means it is 10 to the power 9. So 8.04 into 10 to the power 9 zeros means 10 to the power 9. This is scientific form. This is a mixture of two number. First one lies between 1 to 10 and the latter one is power of 10. Now question number 4.3, scientific notation is given to you and you have to write the expanded form. So 8.9, if we withdraw the point we get 10 as denominator and 10 to the power 7 means 7 zeros after 1. So 0 zeros are cancelled out and we get 89 into 6 zeros. So this is our expanded form. Next one, MCQ from exercise 4A, question number 7, that tells you find out the value of this equation x square minus 100 into x minus 1 whole square, where x is equal to 2.2, means we have to substitute the value of x with this 2.2, মানে x এর জায়গায় 2.2 লিখব। So 2.2 square, so we noticed is as 22, so 22 square means 484. So 2.2 into 2.2 means 2 points are there in multiplication form. So when we write the answer we have to tilt the point from right side by 2 places. That's how we get 4.84 minus 100, ব্র্যাকেটের মধ্যে 2.2 minus 1 করলে পাই 1.2 স্কোয়ার। So 4.84 minus 100 into 1.2 means 12 square, that is 144, নাও পয়েন্ট দুঘর গুণ হবে 1.2 ইন্টু 1.2, মেন অ্যান্সারের রাইট সাইড থেকে দুঘর পরে, তাই আমরা 1.444 পেলাম। সো 4.84 মাইনাস 14400, 2 zeros are cancel out because in 1.44 there are 2 points. So 4.84 minus 144, we get minus